One golden day I wandered far and wide, down sheltered dells, spicy with rose and bay, through marshy meads with scarlet lilies gay, and sought and searched for thee, O fairest bride of summer fields, fringed Orchis, snowy pure. Bright Arethusa smiled to see me pass, and many a modest wilding from the grass glanced shyly upward. Nothing could allure my heart from its fond quest. The yearning grew at every step to find thy hiding place, as grows the longing to behold the face of one long loved, long absent. Well I knew such love as mine must win. Some subtle power led me to thee. Was it thy soul, my flower? August.